How to install Avast Cleanup Premium on your Apple Mac computer. Once you have downloaded the program, you will easily find this in your Downloads folder. Once located in your Downloads folder, double-click on the icon and the installer will automatically appear. You will be prompted to click on Continue in order to initiate the installation. On the next screen, you will be asked to agree to the end user license agreement. Following this, you will be asked to select the location of your program, and as soon as you do so, the installation will start. You will be asked to allow full disk access. In order to allow this, you will have to go into your privacy and security settings. In your privacy and security settings, enable Avast on the right-hand side. Once enabled, you will be prompted to use your password or your fingerprint to complete the installation. You have successfully installed your Avast Cleanup Premium. You can go ahead and discard the installer by moving it to the trash bin. Thank you for watching. See you next time.